Look, I was going to go easy on you, not to hurt your feelings, but I'm only going to get this one chance. Something's wrong, I can feel it. It's just a feeling I've got. Like something's about to happen, but I don't know what. If that means what I think it means, we're in trouble. Big trouble. And if he is bananas, as you say, I'm not taking any chances.
What's up, YouTube? Hi, Honda Rider here. Your new favorite place to go on YouTube. Check out videos, stuff like that. Today, we're going to talk about something I seen on my video with the GoPro Hero 5 kind of discussion. Basically, what happened during that video was cruising down State Route 32, and this black Jeep, which I'll show you guys the footage. This black Jeep went to go put a cigarette butt out the window, and you know, at first I was pretty upset about it. I didn't know really kind of what to think, because that's kind of a dangerous situation, for obvious reasons. I mean, I'm out here exposed to all the elements, and when you're on a highway or something like that, you throw those cigarette butts out the window, they really be dangerous. Especially if it was laying on me, maybe burn through some of my gear. So if you can imagine, you're just rolling around, loving life, woo, I'm on my motorcycle having fun, and then like going in front of you, throw the cigarette butt, he burns you, and you're like, oh shit, you know, like you could really wreck and die. Sorry for that. Sorry for that, I apologize. Anyway, at first I kind of looked over at her, and there's a woman in the Jeep, and I was like, you know, really, like, you're going to throw the cigarette butt out there? And when I was reviewing the footage earlier today, I kind of figured we'd go ahead and talk about that. Like I said, sorry if I repeat myself, I was kind of upset about it at first, you know, didn't really know what to think, because again, I'm on a motorcycle and I'm out here exposed. But on review of it, I was kind of in the wrong there. She kind of took the extra steps to hold the cigarette butt out the window at the very farthest she could reach and let it go, so it didn't blow out. It's not like she had flicked it out the window or anything. So, yeah, that was actually pretty cool, I guess. You know, if you're going to throw it out and you know there's a motorcycle by you, I guess you could take the extra chance not to throw it out there and hit the guy. But again, I personally smoke. I'm trying to quit right now. I'm kind of using the vape, but I don't want to go all vape life like off the chain like everyone else does. But I smoke, so I'm always aware of if I toss my cigarette butts or if I throw them in a can or whatever inside the car. I always kind of take the extra steps to be aware, look around, or definitely look for cops, because I don't want no $500 fine, that's for sure. But I do, you know, try to be aware of that kind of stuff. And I guess the chick, you know, in the Jeep is most definitely aware of me and kind of took the extra steps to throw it out the side of the window instead of flicking it out or anything like that. But still, I'd ask the people in their cars and stuff, always be aware of motorcyclists, and you know, really, like I would always wear all my gear. So really, the chances of a cigarette butt, you know, burning through my gear and stuff like that is, I guess, not as likely as if there's a Harley rider at night that I always see or whatever like that, who really doesn't wear any gear or no helmet. I mean, could you imagine getting hit with a cigarette butt in your face? I mean, goddamn, that sucks. So, you know, definitely try to stay aware for the smokers. No 6'4" Honda, he had his encounter with a lady throwing a cigarette butt out on the road next to him. He actually picked it up and handed it back to her. You know, it's, you know, just on your personal preference, I guess. I try not to make confrontation with anybody, so I wouldn't do anything like that. Another thing is, later on down the road, I got stopped at a stoplight on 32, and she ended up pulling next to me. And the thing was, is that when I was riding next to her, I was like, really, you throw that cigarette butt at me? She was all smiles. She's smiling ear to ear, and I was like, oh, God. This chick, you know what I mean? She don't care. She just sees a good-looking guy as myself. I mean, I can't stress you out. Woo! Anyway, on this nice-ass bike, he kind of got his hand up, and I don't know that she understood the situation. When I got to the stoplight with her, yeah, she looked over and she was all, you know, just smiles. I'm like, oh, God. She wants the D. She wants the D. So, honestly, I had to, you know, get awesome. And I think that, you know, they definitely got out of there. I kind of went a little faster than I should have. Took off like a bat out of hell. And the reason for that is because I got an old lady. I know I hate the lady got the girls down. It's truly a sad story. But I already got one bitch bitching at me home. You know, definitely don't want to. You know what I'm saying? So let's just get that out of the way while we can. So, you know, that's another thing too, you know, you're out here on your bike and, you know, my buddy's single, one of my good buddies is single, and, you know, he has an older style Honda, which is really cool. I keep telling him, man, hey, you pay attention, man, you know, you might be able to change that relationship status, you know, because females, they really do like bikes. I'd be willing to guess that the woman is more attracted to a male on a motorcycle than, you know, than muscles or cool cars or anything like that. I mean, if you're on a bike, you know, it's just, you know, kind of a status, which a lot of people use to their advantage. Most of these guys out here riding some of the sport bikes, I mean, they don't even know how to ride. You know, or they just started out learning how to ride and they just want to be the cool cat, you know, out here riding on a motorcycle. And, you know, it's sad, you know, because a lot of those guys that got here acting like a fool and end up hurting themselves or killing themselves or anything else like that. But having a bike will definitely get you noticed. God. And it's definitely also dangerous, as you just saw, you know. It sucks, but it happens all the time, I guess. That's kind of one of the only times it's ever really been that bad. Now you see the woman in the passenger seat like throwing a bitch fit, like, what the hell? You're gonna run over this motorcyclist. So that's another thing, you know, you don't really gotta watch out for just cigarette butts. I mean, you gotta keep an eye on everything. Truly everything. There is hazards on the road everywhere, you know. It's just, you really gotta be careful out here on the streets and, you know, stay safe. And like I said before, there's always a time and place to get out here and have some fun, crack it open and whatnot. There's always a place for that at a time. I prefer the track, and I know track ain't for everybody. It's kind of expensive in my taste. A lot of people get out here and say, oh, the track's not expensive, it's $150 or whatever. Yeah, you know, having your couple hours on the track might not be that expensive, but you have to take into consideration you got to get your bike there. You got to have the right gear. You know, that just those two things are going to definitely bring up your cost more than $150 by a lot. So there's a time and place for everything. Even if the track's not your thing, you know, get out here on the back roads, you know, get out here, way out here, where the only people that you're really putting in danger is yourself. That way you're not, you know, plus you're less likely to run the cops or people calling the cops on you, you know, because nobody wants to have a real fucked up day and get your bike impounded or anything like that. And yes, I stole nobody wants to have a fucked up day from Cycle Cruiser. That's one of his sayings. I love it to death. So if you hear me use it, just know I'm not, you know, stealing it from that guy. He gets all rights to that. So yeah, you know, again, everybody just out here safe on the streets. Look out for motorcyclists, man. It's just, you know, it sucks. It sucks sometimes being out here on your bike and, you know, having to worry about everyone else. But at the same time, man, it's worth it. As long as you're safe about it and you stay defensive, you're not going to have any problems. I mean, you might have people pull out ahead in front of you or whatever, but you always got to kind of look for those situations and be aware. And I will say one thing before we end this video. I took kind of a long way around just so I could play on the back roads or whatever, change scenery instead of just being on the highway on my way to work. But one thing I will strongly recommend is for anybody, any rider out there, especially a new rider, but really anyone can benefit from it, take your local motorcycle safety course. One, it's going to save you some on insurance. Two, I don't care if you've been riding 50 years, the laws are always changing. You're definitely likely to pick up a thing or two, which you can always benefit from. So go out there and take your local motorcycle safety course, learn a thing or two, have some fun. They supply the bikes and everything else. We'll try to make this light real fast. We're gonna risk it. Anyway, probably shouldn't do things like that. But go out there, take your local motorcycle safety course, have some fun, learn a thing or two. Always stay safe, look for motorcyclists. Try to keep your misbehavior to the back roads or the track. And everyone have a safe day. Like this video, please, if you do, and make sure to subscribe for more. Peace out.